Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. If you're ever having to make a bunch of objects the same and same distance apart, I've got a 16-inch square. I'm going to draw an ellipse and I'm going to fill it in with that blue and take away the outline. And I'm actually going to put it right here on this node. And then I'm going to nudge it like a half an inch. Half an inch, oh, well, maybe 1 inch, both ways. Now I'm going to make a duplicate and I'm going to put it up here and I'm going to nudge it twice, both directions. But now I'm going to take these and I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to go blend and I'm going to blend them, let's say 4 times. That way they're equal. Now to make this work, you've got to take the blend apart. And I actually think you need to take and go to object and group and ungroup them. But then you need to group them back, so Control G. Now we're going to make a duplicate of that. We're going to go ahead and put that one right there, and I'm going to nudge it twice up and twice over. Now, if I select that one and hold down the Shift key and select that one, and now I apply the 4 blends together again, all my circles are exactly the same distance apart relative to the other one. So think about next time using the blend tool to help you do something like that. And I could have put them in further. You know, if we just take away the box, you can see it's a perfect square of rectangle or ellipses. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.